See as they go by, it is not business as usual though. It is not business as usual. You don't see Messiah now be. All the youth waiting for Biafra and they talk to now. You don't see as they go now be. You don't see Messiahs, don't they come from every angle of the earth. You don't see Messiahs. You don't see the new Jesus Christ from every angle of the earth. They want to come and restore Biafra quickly. They want to come and declare it. They want to come and declare that. I know they talk to them because anybody can go to social media talk nonsense. The only time whatever they are doing or saying we have effect is when they command one thing and it happened in Biafra land. Ask them to command one thing. The youth should wake up. The youth should volunteer. Who is your volunteer? You they mad? Okay, we'll come volunteer for you. Where your wife dey? Now me will come volunteer for you. The only person who understand Nigeria too well is Nnamdi Kanu. And him we go follow. Every other voice na noise. For the first time of seeing Biafran flag around Asare Dokubo, for the first time of seeing Biafran flag, for the first time, go and check all his video. Go and check all his videos for the first time of seeing Biafran flag around him. Because he's coming for business and the rest of them. I don't blame them, Sha. We are in Biafra land. We occupy the land. We occupy the territory. The only people who have the audacity, the nerves, the stomach to flood the streets tomorrow if order is being given is IPOB. If the order is not coming from Nnamdi Kanu, forget it. It's not about going to the social media telling yourself you are going to declare this. You want volunteers from Anambra, from Izong, from Urobo, from Enugu. Okay, go leave Abia, come to obey you. Who be you? So you to go leave Abba, come to obey you. You to go leave Vigwacha, come to obey you. Say who that? Who be you? Where your wife dey? If you want volunteers, or guy, you call your children. Nobody is your mate. Do you understand? If you want volunteers, DJ Uche Okechukwu Okafor, whatever they call you. If you want volunteers, you go bring your semblance. May they come become your volunteers. You are not a secretary to Asare Dokubo. Turn down about una. Greed, envy, and jealousy no go allow una. Una just the para. Say Nnamdi they make wave. Say Nnamdi they do this. Nnamdi is the only person that understands the mindset of the Fulani. If not for Nnamdi, no be Nnamdi. If not for Nnamdi, don't turn Igbo land to something else. One day, oh no, Nnamdi, Chineke kula hojo. Oh no, Nnamdi, no go to come your village again. If not before Nnamdi, take it or leave it. If not before Nnamdi, by now all of una don't they speak fufude. And the reason give you matter. If not for Nnamdi, by now, Ogara wega school ga buge do zokpa ala kubao. Iregida he okwo 5 imeche shop ga be achi again. Okwo 2 imeche ga be achi again. Okwo 3 imeche ga be achi again. If not for Nnamdi. And you want us to jettison his command and follow your command. Who born you? Come on, Pokasha Gedos. You declare Biafra this. You're giving attack federal governments now, not disturb the youth. If you want to declare Biafra anywhere you know you can get Biafra more quick and better, we subscribe to it. But don't come and stress us. We don't need any other stress. The only stress all we need is to obtain command and follow from MNK. We tackle it immediately. Maybe you go social media, you tell people to come and do this. Who is going to obey you? In Biafra land, where have you been all this while? What have you sacrificed so far for Biafra? Make I ask you, all of una will be sabo. Nnamdi sacrifice his mother, sacrifice his father. Nnamdi sacrifice his happiness. Nnamdi sacrifice his well-being as a prince. What have you sacrificed? Uche, make I call your name. For long we've been following you. Where is your wife? I'm Onye Nwunyegi. Konya Nwunyegi. You dey see Nnamdi's wife. They go evangelism. You dey see her for town hall meeting. You dey see her everywhere. Uchechi, everybody know her. Browse about Uchechi Okukanu, you go see her. We dey see in children, they carry in children go town hall meeting. I dey see in children for town hall meeting, in sons for town hall meeting. Nabike, where your own children dey, where your own wife dey, you dey hide them. They won't come present the youth. Our people must wake up. Who are your people? You should get your people must wake up. You all of you things in a business as usual. Na business now. We want to do business. Maybe you know they see the wave. The mighty wave, you think say hey, this guy they eat money, Nnamdi they eat money, make una come eat money, make una come use you to play pimpo on our head. It's not about if you talk nonsense on social media, people go come and support it. Say this is why they talk, they right to ask them to come out in the streets and exercise that thing where you they talk. I about uncle you jogoro. I want help to read then man de butchers on the social media now. I said you are making points. Those people, when they tell you say you are making points, ask them to come and protest. Those people, you see, one thing I fail to understand be say the heart of this struggle is in the hand of the youth, and we are the youths. We decide what happened. Only if them can go give order. If you give order 12 midnight, that 12 midnight, men go flood street. You don't understand. You think say that abroad I be? You don't understand what's in the happen. If you give order 1 a.m. in the morning, men go flood street 1 a.m. in the morning. It is called command. You understand? If you are dying of envy and jealousy and hatred, now your business be that. If you want to actualize Biafra in our own way, fine and good. All of us want Biafra. Make una attack Abuja that race. They hit Abuja. No, they come here, they give us unnecessary headache. We're not there in for that in a distraction. Both you, Tony, Nadi, DJ, all of Funa, we know they see all of Funa. You understand? If Funa think say we not get power small, any day we decide to protest, come out on the street and stop guys. You go witness, oh God, you go witness madness with the ball. I want to put on nonsense on social media. We are Biafra, our nation. Attack governments that rates, leave youth alone. We've chosen our paths, and our path is our path. If you dare us, we'll crush you. Dara.